Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a no butter, no cheese, no mayo, healthy but very tasty sandwich. We first need to prepare the chutney for the sandwich. Conventionally, we use coriander and mint for preparing a chutney for any sandwich. But for this sandwich, I am going to use spring onions. You will see that a chutney made from spring onions is very green, does not go black or dark green, and it is very tasty. Come, let me show you how to prepare the chutney. I have taken a bunch of spring onion. I will first cut off the top part and then cut the spring onion into big pieces. I have taken only the upper part of the spring onion and not the actual onions. Now we will add the ingredients to the mixer to prepare the chutney. First, I will add 8 to 10 garlic pods to the chutney. Then I will add about 6 to 7 chilies. This is roasted gram dal, easily available in the market. This brings a very good body and texture to the chutney. Then I add some salt to the chutney. I would recommend that you first grind these dry items before adding the spring onion to the chutney. As you can see, I have first grinded the dried items. Now I will add the spring onion little by little to the chutney and a little water as and when required. As you can see, our chutney is prepared. I have used only the green part of the spring onion and not the actual onions. Let's proceed to make our sandwich. Let us see the ingredients required for our power packed sandwich. This is the spring onion chutney which I have just shown you. Freshly made home curd, boiled corn, roughly chopped onion, a tomato which is deseeded and cut into slices. This is a very surprise element of the sandwich. This is a sweet potato which is substituting for the conventional potato which we use. This is chopped cucumber, chopped green capsicum, some chaat masala, ground black pepper, and salt as per taste, and of course the bread for the sandwich. I am taking about 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh homemade curd. To this I am adding about 4 to 5 teaspoons of the green chutney, about half a teaspoon of salt. Please remember that we have already added salt to the chutney, so please be very careful while adjusting the salt for the filling. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, easily available in the market. First, let us mix all the ingredients. We now add all the boiled vegetables for the chutney. This is the boiled corn, boiled and chopped sweet potato, chopped cucumber, capsicum, tomatoes, chopped onion. We need to add very little onion because we have already added spring onion greens to the chutney. You can see that the filling for our sandwich is now ready Let us now start preparing our sandwich. I'm lightly brushing the bread slices with a little desi ghee. It's just for aroma and taste. You may not use it if you do not require. Now I am adding the prepared filling to the bread. I will place the other slice on this. I have shifted the bread slices to the toaster for toasting the sandwiches. You can even opt to toast these sandwiches on the conventional tawa in place of the toaster. I have placed 2 sandwiches on the tawa for toasting and I am now placing a lid on it. The gas is on very slim mode. I will now flip over the sandwich to toast on the other side for best results. You will notice that the sandwiches are toasted to a rich brown golden color and they are leaving a very inviting aroma. Our sandwiches have changed color to a rich golden color and they are leaving a very pleasant and inviting aroma in the room. Tawa sandwiches are also ready to serve. Our power pack yum sandwiches are ready to eat. You may have seen that these sandwiches are prepared without butter, without mayo, without cheese, but yet are equally delicious. I would recommend that if your children like a bit of sweet in the sandwiches, add 2-3 slices of cut dates into the sandwiches. This increases the nutritional values of the sandwich and also adds a bit of sweet taste to them. Leave your valuable suggestions and comments to my video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.